2025 Mercedes-Benz GLE. This SUV offers space as well as power and performance. Designed with its driver and passengers in mind, with features like these: automatic parking, side view mirrors with turn signals, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, moonroof, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, memory seat, tinted windows. Come in now. This vehicle is ready for immediate delivery.